The Kansas Department of Labor presents a guide to determine if a worker is an employee or an independent contractor. KSA 44703 sets forth the conditions under which you are required to report wages paid and pay contributions, taxes, for unemployment insurance purposes. Misclassification of workers occurs when an employer incorrectly classifies workers as independent contractors rather than employees. Misclassification creates problems for workers. Workers incorrectly classified as independent contractors may lose access to benefits such as unemployment, workers' compensation, Social Security, and tax withholding. Misclassification of workers also puts businesses following the law at a competitive disadvantage with those who are misclassifying workers. Intentional misclassification of workers is illegal and constitutes tax and insurance evasion. Another form of worker misclassification is paying cash under the table. Do not break the law by paying cash and not paying your payroll-related taxes. Employers engaging in this practice may be subject to significant penalties and fines from the Kansas Department of Labor and Kansas Department of Revenue. So, what is employment? Employment is defined as services performed by an individual for wages under any contract of hire unless it is shown that such individual has been and will continue to be free from control or direction over the performance of such services under the individual's contract of hire. An employee is any individual who performs services for the employer and is subject to the employer's control regarding what will be done and how it will be done. An independent contractor has an independent trade, business, or profession. They offer their services to the public. The general rule is that an individual is an independent contractor if the business engaging the contractor does not control or direct the means and methods of accomplishing the objective. The right of control, whether or not exercised, is the most important factor in determining the relationship. An employer-employee relationship exists when an employer has the right to exercise control over the manner and means by which the individual performs services. The right to discharge a worker at will and without cause is strong evidence of the right of direction and control. A written contract that claims to create an independent contractor relationship is not valid if the worker meets the criteria for being an employee and not an independent contractor. Generally, an employer-employee relationship is found to exist when the work being done is an integral part of the regular business of the employer and the worker does not furnish an independent business or professional service to the employer. We hope this information helps you. If you have any further questions, please go to www.kansasemployer.gov to review the frequently asked questions. Thank you for watching, and remember, we are here to assist you throughout this process.